Hello friends, how are you? Hope you all are doing good and staying safe. Welcome back to my channel Ashish Chakravarti, and in these YouTube channels I share my experiences based on my understanding and my learnings on life. So today's topic, I normally share topics based on behaviors and understanding of life. Today's topic is friends. My friends, this is an interesting topic which I would like to discuss about what is friendship. Friendship, we might be in today's world, normally human to human friendship has been reduced, and the more friendship is being done on social media, that is either through YouTube, social media, Facebook, Instagram, and all. But friendship nowadays have become very complicated thing, as per my understanding, as per my experiences, what I have seen, friends were made back in college days, back in schools, and after doing job and everything, there are very less people called actually as friends. Even considering myself or considering somebody else, we make colleagues, we make peers, but actual friends, it's very difficult to get in through. So why I am discussing about this topic of friendship is I have been understanding and thinking of what has happened in life. What has happened in life? Mate, friendship is not something which you are like everyday meeting and saying hi, hello, sharing stuffs, and all those things are happening, just chilling around, going to bar, desk, partying, chilling out. Those are very small part of friendship, what I feel. So what I believe, friendship is literally like a person whom you can contact after 10 years also, and you can open up and say anything to him or her. You can open up your heart and say whatever you want, and the other person listens to you, either listens to you or he kills you back. That is actual friends, he kills you back. So in my case, my friends, oh my god, don't tell me, they will literally kill me back as well, and it happens vice versa. So nowadays, what I am feeling, the reason I am making this video on friendship is, it's been a while. It's been a while, like almost more than a decade, more than 10 years, seeing around right friend, getting into the right company, getting right suggestions, getting advice from a person who really takes care of you, who really thinks about you in a positive way. Those are few factors to be taken into consideration for having a friendship. Or else daily wise, you are meeting many people, you make friendship, you make colleagues, you make peers, but those things doesn't come out of the heart. That you have to do to live your life. That is a general tendency. Wherever you work, you make colleagues, your colleagues become friends, but actual friends, if you can remember, my friends, if you can really remember, those were the days back in school, those were the days back in college, where in hostels, you share anything. The best part is, sometimes it becomes difficult to share stuffs with yourself, to think about stuffs only between in your mind, only in your mind. But still, when a friend is there, who comes and shouts, and who chills around, who laughs at you, who kills you, who beats you, you feel very easy going and open up your heart, saying to that person. And slowly you never consider them as a friend initially, but slowly with emotions, with situations, when you stay together in hostel, back in hostel, they become your lifelong friend. When I was having roommates, basically basically roommate in my engineering college, in my engineering hostel, I was having roommates, and slowly suddenly it happened that 4 years we were 3 people staying in one room. And it happened that all the 4 years we stayed together, knowingly, unknowingly, we shouted, we screamed, we did pranks, we bunked classes, we went outside, we did everything, whatever you can imagine. But the thing is that it knowingly unknowingly it created such a bond between all three of us, and few more who were staying just who were neighbors of ours. And still now, after job life, after many of them are married, many of them got kids, so even if you call them after 10 years, it's the same conversation that you discussed back in college, the same way, the same language, and the same, everything is same. You don't have to think twice before speaking. So those are, in my opinion, those are the real friends whom you can trust upon, whom you can believe upon. It is not like a friend in need, a friend indeed. Yes, of course, a friend in need, a friend indeed, but it is not always about need. It is always about, sometimes it is about person who is listening to you, who is giving his valuable time to you, who is showing care towards you. So this is a very short video. What I am trying to make is, please don't get involved or get yourself into making so many friends. In life there are few friends only, maybe one or two whom you are very comfortable with, but don't try to get involved in social cultures, making friends every day around. Yes, of course you make, but those are not actually your friends. People take advantage of you, and you get into those things where you don't want to go, and you don't enjoy the company, but still somehow you have to go, no matter if it is a group get together, or it is a company get together, or company office party or something like that. But yes, of course, don't try to get yourself into that crowd. You may be physically available, but mentally you may not be available over there. But mate, don't get into a conclusion that everybody is your friend. Everybody is not your friend. So always be cautious of speaking to people whom you consider as friend initially, especially nowadays. Friendship takes time. Friendship takes patience. Friendship takes lot of courage. Friendship takes lot of faith. In life there will be many times where your faith will be, where your belief will be destroyed, thinking that you are considering the other person as a friend, but the other person is only taking advantage of you, and that you will come to know way after a long period of time. So always be cautious, be helpful to everyone, no matter if it is a friend or not a friend, if it is a colleague, be helpful to everyone. But it should not be a situation where you put yourself in a trouble, where you think, where you get betrayed, where you are sidelined, where you have no importance, where you have no, leave about the importance, where you have no self-respect. People don't give you respect. So there is a way to speak to a very near and dear friend. Basically there is no way to speak to a very near and dear friend, but other people may take advantage of you. So my friends, believe in yourself, stay calm, and always look out for people who may take advantage of you. So stay away from them, and don't get yourself so much involved in crowd that you need to show that you are partying every day, you are so happy every day. It is not the truth. So you know it better rather than me telling or somebody else telling. So don't try to show off your life outside what actually you are not. And it gives you inner strength. It gives you inner strength when you are all alone outside in a crowd. It gives you inner strength, so that you become self-confidence, you become determined, you become self-reliant, and you take care of yourself before making anybody as your friend, before believing on anybody. You can believe, but most of the time it happens that you are being distrusted. So take care of yourself. Make friends, yes, of course, make friends, but school friends are the best friends actually. School friends, college friends, and all are the best friends. So stay away from people who look forward to harm you or sideline you. And these all small things comes when you don't want to show your life to the outside world, saying that okay fine, I am the most coolest, I am the most chillest person. But deep inside you, you know what you are doing, and it is such a type of situation where you get yourself dragged into, and it becomes very difficult on a later stage to come out of that situation. So my friends, it is not bad to stay all alone. It is very good to stay all alone, because you know that there is nobody else to help you out in a situation where you might need somebody to help you. But you will be self-determined, you will be self-reliant, you will be self-conscious, saying that okay fine, whatever happens to me, I have to take care of that. And that makes you more stronger person, that makes you more confident person, rather than depending upon somebody who may not be helping you out as well when you are actually in need. So always stay humble, help others, but don't keep your all guards out, so that you can be harmed. And take care of yourself. Thank you so much. If you like the video, I am normally sharing my experiences of life and my understanding of life, what I have been going through in my job for almost more than 10 years. And yeah, these are small thoughts which I try to share, and you may like it. Somewhere in the world, somewhere in the corner, somebody might be looking out for things what I am saying or what I am trying to share, and might be able to connect me. So if you are able to connect me, please do like, please do subscribe, please do comment on the video, ask me what you want to know, and yeah, so let's take it very positively, and I will try to figure out how I can reply you back, and in my next videos or in your comments or something like that. I'll try to work it out. So yeah, I'm very new to YouTube. I hope you like it, and please do like and subscribe. Thank you so much.